this Baton relay, we couldn't have chosen a better place than starting with it in Walvis Bay.
The relay and activities aim to unite communities, celebrate culture, and promote sustainability initiatives, and at the same time, celebrate the values of Commonwealth sport, which is humanity, equality, and destiny. For the first time, each nation and territory received its own baton, and we have customized it to represent our Namibian culture and heritage.
The King's Baton Relay is a treasured tradition of the Commonwealth Games. The relay inspires children to believe in their own potential, to stay active and to carry forward the spirit of excellence in both sports and education.